In the beginning, God spoke, the earth was formed, mankind was created. A plan and a purpose, right from the beginning. For pride, for salvation, for worship, for the afterlife, for protection, for royal segregation, for love, for freedom, for democracy. God is the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end.
Army of young people that's going to take this nation by storm, and ultimately to go all over Asia to proclaim the message of the gospel until the Lord returns, to present all the nation bended knees before the Lord.
Child of God, listen to me. As long as you look at the death of the seed, as long as you look at the precious and you think, I'm losing it, I'm giving away my precious, I'm like, get your eyes off your precious and lift your eyes to the fields are white unto harvest. You can't release the precious unless you see the harvest.
Women, rise up. Your voice will be heard. In cultures where it is impossible, in businesses where it has never been thought of.
City Harvest, you have a great ministry and a great anointing and a great cultural mandate. Don't let anything rob you of your destiny.
But if you are able to take your eyes off your tithes, your offering and your pledges, and look to the field that's white unto the harvest, you will get a vision and you will see the eternal salvation of millions of people, not only in Asia, but all around the world. And you say, this is worth it. I will sacrifice my best to see the salvation of souls in my generation.
That your church will be finally the leading largest church in the world, and the great result shall be made not only in this country, throughout the whole world.
A dream is a vision for the future, and God is the giver of dreams.
I always travel around the world, and it's not easy for me to maintain friendships. But in City Harvest, I found my family and genuine friends.
Sungguh, saya sangat diberkati sejak saya datang ke gereja ini. Hidup saya berubah dan saya menemukan banyak hal di sini. Sebuah keluarga, visi, mimpi, tujuan hidup, harapan, dan bahkan calon istri saya.
我们建造神的家，神更会建造我们的生命，超过我们所求所想。
I see members excelling in their careers and keeping the faith of God. I'm inspired to be the salt and light in the marketplace.
Dito ko natutunan na higit sa pagtanggap ng mga biyaya ng Diyos ay ang maging daluyan ng pagpapala at maging tugon sa panalangin ng iba.
The church is the house of God. We are the church.
爱、喜乐、生命、神的同在、神的能力等等等。我相信这样的经历会一直延续下去，直到永永远远。
上帝祝福我係家庭多多歲歲平安和睦。
This is His ministry, built on simple faith and pure hearts.
我来到城市风出教会之后，才真正的认识和体验到星体建造能够为我带来的突破。因为在我第一次给予之后，我就得到了10倍、30倍，甚至超过50倍的祝福。所以之后我就从来没有错过任何一次能够星体建造的机会。
シティハーベストチャーチ、私たちはここで真心を持って神様を愛することと隣人を熱心に愛することを学んでいます。キリストの愛がさらにここから全世界に述べ伝えられるために、私たちも共に教会を立て上げます。
I want to build biggest house of God because I love Jesus.
Making a difference in our generation within God's greater plan.
To have a dream is important, but to have people around you believe in your dream is even more important. Here is where I found my dreams and friends who believe in me. This is my church, this is my life.
The presence of God, the teaching of the Word, and the relationships that are built. This is why I call CHC my home, and I'm here to stay.
My church is my home.